Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make Sanjyot Keer's tomato soup. We'll dive into a unique method to create a truly flavorful and aromatic soup, just like you'd find in a fine restaurant. You'll learn how to perfectly balance the sweet, sour, and spicy notes, ensuring every spoonful is a delight. Get ready to elevate your soup-making skills with this fantastic recipe. For this incredible soup, we start with 8 to 9 medium-sized tomatoes, forming the heart of our flavor. To enhance both color and natural sweetness, we incorporate 1/4 cup each of diced beetroot and carrot. Aromatic spices are crucial. We'll use 1 bay leaf, 8 to 9 black peppercorns, and 3 to 4 black cardamom seeds to build a complex and inviting aroma. Let's begin the cooking process. First, sauté 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger, and 1 medium-sized sliced onion in 2 tablespoons of butter until translucent. Next, add 8 to 9 diced tomatoes, along with salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook this mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Finally, add 1.5 liters of hot water and simmer until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. To perfect your soup, allow the cooked vegetable mixture to cool slightly, then blend it into a fine puree. Strain this puree through a sieve to achieve that desirable silky smooth texture. Now, it's time to balance the flavors. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, a pinch of chaat masala, and a few drops of lemon juice. For a rich finish, stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Serve your delicious, hot soup garnished with fresh cream and crispy croutons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.